Shree Bhagwati, manufacturing customized design, oral liquid syrup manufacturing plant and equipment. An oral liquid syrup manufacturing plant is a facility specifically designed for the production of liquid syrups used for oral administration, typically in the pharmaceutical industry. This type of plant is equipped with various specialized equipment and machinery to ensure the safe, efficient, and compliant manufacturing of liquid syrup products. Overall, an oral liquid syrup manufacturing plant comprises a range of specialized equipment and systems designed to produce high-quality liquid syrup products efficiently and in compliance with regulatory standards. These plants play a crucial role in the pharmaceutical industry by providing safe and effective oral medications to patients. FDA, Food and Drug Administration, or other relevant regulatory bodies. Compliance systems, documentation practices, and validation protocols are essential components of ensuring regulatory compliance. Following systems should be offered in our manufacturing plant. Mixing and blending equipment, heating and cooling systems, filtration equipment, homogenization equipment, packaging machinery, cleaning and sterilization systems, quality control and analytical equipment, regulatory compliance systems. For requirement, contact below mobile number or email address.